Hello friends, today we are studying about tie junctions. Tie junction is a type of cell junction. So first of all, note that what is cell junctions. Cell junction is a type of structure that exists within the tissue of some multicellular organisms. In the case of animals, it is true that the cell junction is present. But in the case of plants, instead of cell junctions, they have a plasmodesmata. Cell junction consists of protein complexes provide contact between neighboring cells or between cells. The main function of cell junction is that they can carry out paracellular transport. Paracellular means a different type of cell. It will be transported one position to another. Cell junctions are especially abundant in the epithelial tissues. Intercellular junctions are mainly three types: tight junction, gap junction, and desmosome. It is the picture of the intestinal epithelial cell. It have an apical and basal region. It includes tight junctions, intermediate filaments, desmosomes, gap junctions. Tight junctions. Tight junctions are also known as occluding junctions or zonula occludens. It is are closely associated of areas of two cells whose membrane join together to form the virtually impermeable barrier to fluid. It means we are considered two cells, cell 1 and cell 2, which are joined together to form a barrier that will be impermeable. It is a type of junctional complex present only in vertebrates. The cell junctions, mainly the tight junction, is present only in the vertebrates. The tight junction is mainly composed of branch network of sealing strands. It means, just looking at the picture, the tie junction, it have strands. They are the sealing strands. Therefore, the tie junction is composed of sealing strands. The number of sealing strands will be increases. The efficiency of tie junction also will be increases. The function of tie junction is to prevent the ions or solute that entering out of the body to our body or cells. That will be prevent the tie junctions. Each strand act independently. Therefore, the number of strands will be increases. The efficiency of tie junction will also be increases. The strand will be formed in a transmembrane proteins. Tie junctions, the picture cell 1 and cell 2, it have an increasing interacting plasma membrane, intracellular space, sealing strands of tie junction proteins. Mainly, tie junction is composed of two types of proteins, claudin and occludin. They are also known as tie junction proteins. The sealing strands are rows of transmembrane proteins. The three-dimensional view of tight junction is that tight junction, plasma membrane of adjacent cells, membrane proteins that form tight junctions. Next, we talk about the properties of tight junction. All the tight junctions have exhibit not the same permeability. Different permeability, they have the different tight junctions. The next point is that the several parallel strands tend to better than the couple of strands. That means we are already told that tie junction is composed of sealing strands. Parallel strands will be perform better than the couple of strands. Some tie junctions are specific ions or solute to which other tie junctions are impermeable. That means some tie junctions will be permeable to some solute or some ions, but some tie junctions will be impermeable. Example, ascending limb of kidney are permeable to magnesium ions. That means in our body, in kidney have ascending limb that will be permeable magnesium ions into our body. Next, features. Tie junction appear to be formed by a network of protein strands. We are already told that tie junction is composed of transmembrane proteins, mainly occludins. A few strands in this network is composed of transmembrane proteins, claudin and occludin, that bind to similar protein on the adjacent cells, thereby sealing the space between the plasma membrane. The proteins, mainly claudin and occludin, will be bind to the adjacent cell. Therefore, the space between the plasma membrane will be sealing. Therefore, it is called the sealing strands. Functions. Tie junction serves fences that maintain the polarized character of the epithelial cells. That means the tie junction will be maintain the polarity of the epithelial cells. They are accomplished by the blocking ions or molecule between the domains of the plasma membrane. That means the plasma membrane will be sealed. Therefore, no any other will be enter outside in our body. That means ions or solute will be blocking out the tie junctions. They separate the apical and basolateral domains of the plasma membrane by preventing free ions or lipids and membrane proteins between them. That means plasma membrane will be sealed out. Therefore, any other ions or solute that will not be entering our body. Types of tie junction, mainly two types: sonula occludens and fascia occludens. Sonula occludens that encircle the entire cell perimeter. In our body, the sona occludens will be encircled in the cell perimeter, occludes the intracellular space. The adjacent cell membrane approach each other and finally fuse. That means two cells will be fused together and finally fuse. The fusion site specific transmembrane proteins and perform binding functions. They are seen more in intestinal mucosa, less in PCT. They are very largely or abundantly seen in the mucosa. Fascia occludens, a stripe-like tie junction of limited extent, found between endothelial cells of the blood vessels. Functions, they hold the cell together, function as barrier, help to maintain polarity. They are the basic knowledge of the tie junction. Thank you all.